Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video, our base got griefed, which is kind of sad, but you know what? We're finding a spot to make our base. And after we make our base, which is going to be in the next video, which I'm going to tour for y'all, we're going to destroy Donut SMP's economy and get rich, grinding the server. So, alright guys, so tragedy struck and our base got griefed. So we're going to try to make a new one. And Key, we gotta be superstitious, little mischievous, very
Bro, it's not even our
careful.
fault.
It's Jordan's fault, look. Man.
We don't even know. He invited streamers and they could just last.
Oh my god, why am I lagging? God dang, hold on. It's a bill, so alright, I'm gonna go to a different place. That's annoying. Okay, this place seems legitimately untouched. Like legit. Oh my god. Wait, can you come in my room real quick? So I can show you.
You can't. Oh my. God dang. And my time is home. Also, my E-chest.
I can you come in my room real quick? Go through.
Hold on.
Oh my bad. Literally, there's been no signs of life, or I'm sorry, of players anywhere. There's a lot of signs of life actually. I'm killing all of it though, cause I'm hungry.
What does it look like?
Huh? Oh, what the? Oh crap. Huh?
What does it look like?
It's a birch biome next to a jungle biome, and there's literally nothing that there's no blocks placed anywhere. There's no nothing. It's like all brand new.
Oh, come to me. Try to. See.
Why am I like look, there's nothing. There's literally nothing. Besides that, I made that. Where is it at? I accidentally did that. Just don't worry about that. But there's literally nothing.
You go to the jungle. We go to the jungle.
Here, real quick. Wait, okay, let me just grab these food real quick. Why? I got lag every second. See my video, bro? Oh, he said we. Hold on, I need food. Oh, also, people bought my stuff. I'm at 7K now. Okay, yeah, now.
Alright, now go inside the jungle.
So if I go this way,
No.
the jungle's bigger over there.
Just go to the right.
I know, but like, there's a lot of trees in over there.
Bro, go on A to buy like golden carrots.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll do that. You're lucky. Y'all are lucky. Alright. Like over there?
No, go right there.
Okay. If I can stop lagging, god dang. What? Okay, whoa. My game's about to crash.
Bro, I just said.
I know, but like, it was an easy kill. Okay, what?
Go to like one of those trees.
Let's see if the vines
Small
are growing.
trees, small trees, small trees.
Small tree?
They're in the ground.
Like that one?
Yes.
Hold on, it's lagging. Wait. I don't have shears. Oh. Yes, dig like a... I have a shovel, you know. Why do you use a scroll wheel? I don't use my scroll wheel because mine is too, like, sensitive. It's lagging. It's lagging. It's lagging. Wait. Go to the way. That way. Okay, yeah, just dig down now. Alright, I'll dig down. I'll do all the stuff. I got it. I'll do it. It's lagging. Yo, this might actually be the worst lag. Oh my god. And then you can teleport to me Holy crap. Yeah, let me cook all this real quick. Actually, not look at it. Yeah, key. What the frick? Okay, it's nothing. Let me just. Oh crap. Alright, then. What? Let me check what I see what people bought from me. It's a best Sparta on the gun. Holy skibbity, bro. What? Hello? What the skibbity? Bro, this is literally unwatchable for a YouTuber. Did it just crash? Oh my gosh. Whatever. God dang. Okay. How far down? Actually, I'm not gonna do that. Bro, I have never lagged this bad, bro.
Because you're probably OBS.
You probably what?
On OBS.
Oh, that's true. Should I low-key stop recording for now?
You do whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the recording.